Well, it's not the mouth, but the eyes, which are the focus of this week's Sights and Sounds segment. We're going to take you to the park to watch kids at play, and we'll listen to an incredibly beautiful song from the year 2000 flick, The Adventures of Rocky and Bullwinkle.
When you're feeling like you're out of touch, all alone and lost and drifting through the night, just think back to younger times and you'll find the light. See the world for a while through the eyes of a child. You will see so much wonder in your day. All that you believed when you were small are still the dreams that guide us all. The mirror shows you've grown, but reflects the child in you. If you're looking out on stormy skies and empty fields, afraid to give it one more try, see yourself above the clouds, spread your wings and fly. See the world for a while through the eyes of a child. You will see so much wonder in your day. All that you believed when you were small are still the dreams you carry on. Imagine what could be if you just believed in you. When you were young, who did you want to be? What is stopping you from that dream? Oh, this is who you are. Don't be afraid. The child in you will never fade. The power to believe is yours alone. No one could ever take that child See the world for a while through the eyes of a child. You will see so much wonder in your day. And all that you believed when you were small are still the dreams that guide us all. Ooh, the mirror shows you've grown, but reflects the child in you. If there's one thing I could say to you, it would be to try to make your dream come true. You can do almost anything if you just believe. If you just believe.